Richard with Kanen Coffee, and I've got this Elektra espresso machine here. So it came in for a tune-up. So I replaced the group head gasket, cleaned the group head screen. I also ran some citric acid through the boiler to descale it, and then I cleaned the steam wand. And I also had to replace the steam assembly, so that's this here. This was leaking. I found that when I opened the machine. So this shaft has like new gaskets on it as well, and I also replaced the cap, which was stripped here, likely because of the leakage. And then I found a few extra necessary repairs. So the boiler was leaking from a connection on the top of it. So I removed that connection and resealed it with new sealant. Then I also found during the back flushing that the pump needed to be replaced. It didn't have enough power to get those 9 bars of pressure. So you can see here the old pump is actually from 2004. So typically we recommend that the pump is replaced every 5 years or so, and they can last longer than that, but just to ensure that it's working properly, we do recommend 5 years. And so I just replaced this pump. And now I'm just going to pull a shot to show you that everything's working properly. I also had to unclog the distribution plate in the group head, which just was probably making the puck come out pretty uneven. So I'm going to pull a shot with these 2 shot glasses. I'll just hold them right here. So the glasses are slightly different shapes, so they might not look like exactly the same amount, but it comes out pretty evenly. And this is just our test coffee, so the shot ran a little bit short, but this is just because it's not specifically calibrated to this machine, but it's just to show you that everything is working properly. I can also turn the steam on here so that you can see the steam wand is functioning. Let me just get it might take a minute for it to heat up, just so you can see that it's working. Okay, that's about it for this video. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. Thanks for watching.